Now, Director of the Center for the Study of African Economies at Oxford University, Professor Stefan Dercon, believes to stabilize the country's microeconomy, there ought to be a path towards microeconomic stability coupled with checks on government's expenditure. According to him, over the last decade, Ghana has spent more than twice what it earns in tax revenue, which is equivalent to 2 years of growth, a development which he believes is unsustainable and counterproductive. This comes at a time where Ghana is trying to get a program with International Monetary Fund (IMF) to help salvage the reeling economy. He spoke to the media on the sidelines of a workshop organized by his outfit in collaboration with the Institute of Statistical, Social and Economic Research (ISSER).
You know, the last decade, Ghana was probably spending every year in terms of more than what it earned in tax revenue, equivalent to 2 years of growth. So that's clearly not sustainable if you keep on spending far faster in terms of your spending increases relative to your growth. And so there needs to be something sensible. Now, for economists, I think they should really think carefully through what that path could look like, and possible paths also, given the consequences, of course, in real terms for people. Such stabilization efforts, they will be tough, but it's now that the seeds have to be sown for actually future better growth in terms of getting the conditions right, probably with somewhat more cautious political behavior with government budgets in the future, to actually make sure that we can go back to this remarkable and such impressive period of growth since the 1990s that Ghana has experienced, and that I, as someone who's visiting back here after some years since I last was here, I can see the fruits of it. The country is changing, and for the better.
That was Director of the Center for the Study of African Economies at Oxford University, Professor Stefan Dercon.